In a small town, a dog named Buddy helped build the first firehouse. This adorable pup fetched supplies and kept spirits high. Comment and follow if you want more videos. As the firehouse was completed, the whole town celebrated the grand opening. Buddy even got his own little firefighter hat to wear. Inside the firehouse, the firefighters were busy getting ready for their first shift, and Buddy was right there bringing joy to everyone. As the sun set, the firehouse stood bright and proud, a symbol of community spirit.